Hello, boys and girls. It is 8th of May 2017, about 8 o'clock in the UK. Yeah, weekly insight time, weekly close, weekly insight. I've still got website problems, so it's a little bit. I say I've still got website problems. I've done nothing to try and rectify that. I need to get my web guy on it. James, if you're watching, please save me. If not, then please tell me who can, and I'll sort that out. Anyway, yeah, trading wise. Oh yeah, before I do that, I just bought this. I always like to throw something else in here other than just trading, and I've just bought this because I used to be a bit of a DJ back in the day, and it's something I want to start doing again. It's on my goals list up here, and as you can see, the decks are completely covered in crap at the moment, but I want to get them all set up and running. So I'm sorry about that. There's just crap everywhere. Anyway, never mind all that. Back to the trading. So yeah, 0.5% down this week, which isn't exactly the end of the world. Two trades, both closed. So an oil one and a GBP Swissy one, both down about 0.25%. So I'm all right with that. You can see the numbers here. Yeah, there's not much went insanely wrong with them. They just didn't go my way. So fair enough. Weekly insight wise, I've got nothing open, nothing going on, but I have got a bunch of stuff that I'd like to, well, a couple of things I'd like to have a look at with you guys. So first of all, my new orders. So let's get this open here. So I've just put this order here in. So this is Swiss Jappy. So I'm actually using a 2 hour entry on this. So this is kind of moving short. I've got 0.25% risk on it. Now, it's obviously we found some support around this 114 level. So the trade is basically just that on the 2 hour we continue on down south. Now it has actually hit on the daily here. It's hit the 8 EMA and it's coming off it and coming off that 113 level. So with a bit of luck, we will either just not get filled at all and it will go again, the other way, or it will break south. So that's the aim of that one. Fairly straightforward trade, 0.25%. So again, small stuff, but if it pays off, we're in for it's a 3-to-1 trip on a triple R there. Not bad, although I will trail, but that's just in case it spikes. So that's kind of what we're looking at there. I've also got a Swiss Jap. That is the Swiss Jappy one. Sorry, I got EuroCAD trade going on. EuroCAD. So it's a similar play, different pair. As you can see, it's quite tight, this one, which is quite nice. So what have we got here? It's a 100 pip stop, but the potential of 430 odd. So yeah, again, we've got some support at this kind of 1.5 level here. Obviously, this might happen, and we might get stop run out, but I'm not willing to put my stop loss up here. But yeah, it's kind of moving its way through the itchy cloud. Might make a break. I mean, it's been on a nice run upwards. Even last time it went south, we would have got some pips. So I'm just going to play that one, see how it rolls out. Again, only 0.25%. Everything's nice and small at the moment, but potential there with a 4-to-1 trade, really. So that's all good, man. Now, I'm not going to go through everything now. There are a couple of things which I am looking at in addition. So one is silver. Now silver's falling through the floor as ETF. So you can see we're right the way down here at the moment. Just a quick look at the weekly. I haven't actually checked the weekly, but yeah, okay. So we've really retraced back down to these levels here, which is probably around the yeah, okay. So we're back down at this 61 level. So God knows what this is doing. Okay, we're kind of ranging at the moment. However, if you look at this beautiful 2 hour trade, so we could have got short about here on this, and it's run 190 pips, which doesn't sound a lot, but silver's quite heavy on the gearing, so it would have made some money. So my play will be to try and get long somewhere on this side of the cloud and ride it back. That's it really. Obviously we've got a kind of you can see it quite clearly on the 2 hour. We've got a kind of channel forming, like and we'll see if it kind of gets out of here. I believe over on the, what have we got on the daily? So daily is, yeah, I mean the daily is looking beautiful for getting on the other side of it. This might round off and go long, which would be nice. It doesn't mean to say it's not going to go further south beforehand, but we're keeping an eye on that. And then the 8 hourly has given us a buy signal down here, indicating it's a little bit oversold. Not the cleanest. I'm not taking it. Not yet anyway. I need to see it do a bit more than what it's currently doing. But it's one that I'm keeping an eye on, and I thought I'd share it because it's worth doing. Obviously silver, it's manipulated, especially on the downside at the moment, so I'm going to keep an eye on it. But yeah, that's basically all I've got going on at the moment. I mean, there's a number of other things I've noted, but nothing massive. We had the French elections, not really much came after that. I think it was already priced into the market. So yeah, I'm just keeping an eye on things and see how we do, basically. Not sure this is the most insightful thing I've ever done, and I'm done in 5 minutes, which must be a record. If the video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, like it on YouTube, like it on Facebook. As always, I'd love to hear from you. I do it for my own benefit, but also obviously do it for yours as well. So hopefully someone follows or takes some interest in what I'm up to. Yep, live the dream. It's 8:05. Wow, this is the quickest one ever. Have fun and keep partying. Live the dream.